collapsed.
Venezuela, Japan, the Philippines or Alaska. The world has been shaken several times in the last 72 hours. According to the records of the US Geological Survey, USGS, more than 12 moderate to severe earthquakes have struck different parts of the world in just 3 days. And most of these earthquakes have occurred in one of the most dangerous regions on Earth, which scientists call the Ring of Fire. If you look at the news of the last few days, you will see that this ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean has suddenly become very angry. The biggest shock in these 72 hours has come to Japan. A powerful 6.9 magnitude earthquake has struck near the coast of the country in the United States, after which 2 more moderate aftershocks were felt there. Before Japan could handle this shock, the Philippines also shook. Another powerful 6.5 magnitude earthquake hit the country's Sarangani region. This is not the end. At the same time, a 4.9 magnitude earthquake was recorded in the Aleutian Islands of Alaska, America, and a 5.6 magnitude earthquake in Mendocino County, California. However, the most mysterious and terrifying event of these 72 hours occurred in the Latin American country of Venezuela, which borders the Ring of Fire. According to a report published in the BBC, a pair of devastating earthquakes of magnitude 7.2 and 7.5 struck there at almost the same time, which scientists call twin earthquakes. That is, 2 huge cracks or fault lines broke in the same area at almost the same time and in a row, creating this enormous power, which has terrified the people of the entire region. Naturally, the question arises, what is this Ring of Fire? And why do so many earthquakes occur here? In simple terms, a horseshoe-like region around the Pacific Ocean, about 40,000 kilometers long, is called the Ring of Fire. The upper part or crust of our Earth is not a complete sphere. It is basically made up of some small pieces or tectonic plates. These plates are always floating and moving on molten magma underground. There are several such huge plate boundaries or edges in the Ring of Fire region. When one plate encounters another plate or tries to enter under one, then there is a huge pressure under the ground. And when this pressure is suddenly released, then the earth above shakes terribly. About 90% of the world's earthquakes occur in this Ring of Fire region. The question is, are these earthquakes that have occurred in succession around the world in the last 72 hours connected to each other? Scientists say that at first glance it may seem as if one country is pushing another country. But in reality, there is no direct connection between these earthquakes in Japan, the Philippines or Venezuela. The plates under the ground in each region broke at their own speed and under the pressure of their own fault lines. That is, the earthquake in the Philippines did not happen because of the earthquake in Japan. Both happened because of their own local geography. Scientists advise the general public not to panic right now. According to geologists, the Ring of Fire region is naturally active all the time. If the energy stored underground is not released through small or medium earthquakes like this, it could cause a major disaster like the 9.5 magnitude earthquake in Chile in 1960 in the future. So this frequent tremor is actually a natural process of the Earth releasing pressure. Abraham from Voice of Ebu.